Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gul Alaman has won the toss and decided to bat first. So it's a very crucial match for the both sides. Both teams are fighting for respect and honor. So get ready to watch. It's a great contest between the two traditional rivals are fighting for respect and honor. So it's a great contest. Get ready to watch. It's a very hot today. Najibullah is the new batsman. Najibullah and Abdullah, opening pair. Both batsmen are truly sensible, truly skillful, and both of them have decided to take the responsibility to set a good example or set a good target for the opponent teams. Kashish Alaman once has to, it's a great opportunity for a Kashish Alaman because of his home ground. They have to take advantage and to put pressure over the Gulhan Alaman. So Najibullah, he's on strike. The first ball of this over. Sanaullah has taken the responsibility to prove himself that he is truly a game changer. Sanaullah is such a great all-rounder, such a sensible all-rounder. So Sanaullah is the bowler. It's a do and die situation for the both teams. So Najibullah is the batsman. Here we go. The first ball of this over. Sanaullah. On the other side, Najibullah is the batsman. Such a sensible batsman, Brandon Sialkot. A little man is a dangerous man. He's on fire. Sanaullah is the bowler. The first ball of this evening. Oh, that's a very good line. That was really unexpected bounce. The batsman was totally confused. He was unable to understand how to play effectively. The second ball of this over, Sanaullah is the bowler. Najibullah is the batsman. Oh, two consecutive dots. What a bowling, what a line. Sanaullah is such a sensible bowler. He's always tried to set a good example for his team members, performs very well and plays a very essential role for his team members. The third ball of this over, Sanaullah. Najibullah is the batsman. Good shot through the covers. That should be a six. That was really unbelievable. That was truly a huge sixer. That was really a memorable, remarkable sixer. The fourth ball of this over. Good shot, catches the call. Juma is the fielder. Oh, what a catch. Nicely taken without any hesitation. Najibullah has to go back. There is as such no opportunity for Najibullah. It's a great breakthrough. Sanaullah is truly a game changer. He has decided to perish the reputation of the batsman. Gulhan Alaman is in trouble. It's a big problem for Gulz Alaman. The new batsman is Zia. Such a sensible batsman who forms very well. Here we go. The first ball of, oh, that was quick bouncer, fast and furious, but very unfortunate. That was truly a huge sixer. So it's a great opportunity for the batsman. Once again, Zia is the batsman. Good shot. That should be a two. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. Once again, Zia is the batsman. He's on fire. That's a very good shot. Sanaullah is the bowler. Good shot. That should be a six. Yes, it is. What a shot. That was a truly a huge sixer. A truly remarkable, truly memorable. Two consecutive boundaries. Absolutely very expensive today. So Abdullah is the batsman. He has to prove himself that he is truly a game changer. 15 runs after 1 over. Abdullah is the batsman. On the other side, Ahmed is the bowler. Such a sensible bowler. Abdullah has to prove himself that he is truly a game changer. It's a big or a great opportunity for Abdullah. Get ready to watch the first ball of this over. Good ball. That should be avoided. There is a little confusion between the bowler and the umpire. But the final decision is a wide ball. So the first ball of this over, Ashish 11 has to do something very special and has to create a problems for the opponent. The first ball of this over, that should be a 6. Yes, Abdullah is the batsman, but very unfortunately he has to go back. Benjamin is the fielder. He has taken nicely. Abdullah is in trouble. He's little pessimistic today. Looking very pessimistic today. He's in trouble. Jamshed Khan, a brand of Sialkot. Such a sensible batsman, such a sensible bowler. He has to prove himself that he is a game changer. Oh, perfect Yaka that was. Jamshed was unable to understand how to play effectively. Ahmed is such a fast and furious. He's always set a good example for his team member. Always try to create problems for the opponents. He's always try to use his skills, experience, 2 consecutive dots. What a bowling. Truly very impressive. Jamshed is totally confused. But he has to prove himself that he is truly a game changer. Every ball is essential in a table cricket. You don't have any chance to miss the ball, because every ball is like a do and die situation for the both sides. Slow delivery, 3 consecutive dots. Jamshed is totally confused. He is unable to understand how to play effectively. Unexpected bounce always create a big problems for the both sides. Ahmed is the bowler. Good shot. Catches the call, but couple of bounces. Juma is still over there. Mangal is the fielder. Mangal Khan, such a sensible all-rounder. Mangal is always set a good example for his team members. That should be a slow, I think. That's a very good variation. That should be a wide. So Zia is the batsman, such a sensible batsman. He has to do something very special today. Ahmed is on fire. Fast and furious. That should be a 2. But the fielders are still over there. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. Zahid Khan looking very aggressive today. He's in aggressive mood. Only because of umpire's attitude. A negative attitude, you can say. Kashi, brand of Sialkot, has taken the responsibility that he can do everything whatever you are expecting. Brand of Sialkot, Kashi Khan. Ziaullah is the batsman. Oh, catches the call. Oh, he has dropped it on lollipop. A truly nonsensical attitude. That was a great opportunity for Ziaullah Khan. So Jamshed, once again, he's on strike. Kashi is such a sensible bowler. Always try to set a good example for his team members. Actually, he's proving himself that he is deserving for a captain's seat. That was a very good variation. Kashi is always try to use his skills and to use his experience. Once again, the third ball of this over. That should be a six. What a shot, what a sixer. Jamshed is on fire. He's in aggressive mood. Once again, Kashi, a brand of Sialkot. Good shot, catches the call. But the fielder is still over there. That should be a two. Nicely taken 2 runs. Zahid is the fielder. Zahid Khan looking very aggressive today. He's in aggressive mood. Looking little annoyed today. Once again, Jamshed Khan, brand of Sialkot. Once again, he's on fire. That should be a 6. Shot of the day. Truly a huge sixer. That was really unbelievable. Jamshed is using the pace and try to create the problems for Kashi's 11. He is truly a terminator. Once again, catches the call. Benjamin is the fielder. Nicely taken. He has to go back. Kashi is truly a game changer. That was really a great breakthrough for Kashi's 11. After 2 consecutive boundaries, it's a great breakthrough. It's a big opportunity for Kashi's 11. 34 runs after 3 overs. Gulhan 11's in trouble. Not setting a good target for the opponent. It's a final over, do and die situation for Gulhan 11's. Zia is the batsman, such a sensible batsman. Get ready to watch. There is a little confusion. Ahmed is the bowler. Oh, that was a perfect Yorker. Ziaullah is totally confused. He was unable to understand how to play effectively. Ahmed is always trying to create a problem for the opponents. Doesn't matter who he is. Such a sensible bowler. Catches the call once again. Kashi Khan is the fielder. But he has dropped it on lollipop as usual. There is no one to take the catch. Truly a poor fielding, truly a nonsensical attitude. Kashi is setting a bad example for his team members. Zahid Khan looking very annoyed today. Once again, Ziaullah Khan. That should be a 6. Yes! That was really unbelievable. Ziaullah is on fire. Such a sensible batsman. There is a little confusion. That should be a 6 or 2. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. But it has to finalize its 2 runs or a 6 run. So look at the aggressive attitude from the both sides. Kashi is on fire. Gulhan is also fire. He's on fire. So both teams are fighting for each other. Actually, they are fighting for respect and honor. One has to win, one has to lose. It's a part of game, but both teams are struggling. to set a good target. So Zia once again, that's a huge void, not a very good line, truly a nonsensical, absolutely very expensive today. Ahmed is little confused. He has to change his line and to prove himself that he is truly a game changer. Actually, it's a final over. Final over always has a very essential role. So Ziaullah, he's on fire. There's a little confusion. Ziaullah is not ready to play the ball. He should be ready to play. Once again, Ziaullah Pakhtun, the great batsman. Perfect Yorker, that should be a one. That should be a two. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. Ahmed is a little confused today. He's in a pensive mood. That should be a no. Full toss. So it's a free hit. It's a great opportunity for Ziaullah to prove himself. It's a free hit. Here we go. Good shot. Juma is the fielder. Such a sensible fielder. Always try to set a good example for his team members. हाँ जिसका क्या नाम है? नाम Amin Khan is a new batsman. Little man is a dangerous man. So here we go. Little man, he's on fire. That should be a two, but fielder is still over there. "49 runs is a target. Truly not a stiff target for Akashi's 11. But Gulhan 11 has to do something very special today." I think it's a great opportunity for Akashi's 11. Akashi has to take the responsibility to prove himself that he is truly a deserving for this place. He is truly a game changer. He is truly a rock solid.